You can earn $7 every single minute on autopilot with a system you set up just once. No upfront costs, no experience needed, just a simple step-by-step process that anyone can follow. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And the best part, you can get paid directly to your PayPal, Payoneer, or local bank account. If you're ready to start making passive income the easy way, keep watching. Creating inspirational quote images. Step 1. Go to Canva is a free online platform that allows you to create various designs. Simply sign up with your email and password to get started. Step 2. Create new design. After logging in, go to the custom size option, choose inches, and enter 12 in and 16 in the respective fields. Click the Create New Design button, and you'll be directed to a page where you can begin designing. Step 3. Generate quotes using ChatGPT. For this video, I want you to design motivational or inspirational quote images, specifically for entrepreneurs or business owners. Ensure that the images you create are original and free from copyright issues. You can use ChatGPT to assist with this. When you access ChatGPT, simply type, "Provide me with short, original, inspirational quotes for entrepreneurs and business owners." Press enter, and ChatGPT will generate a selection of quotes that you can use to build a passive income system capable of earning you $7 every minute on autopilot. Step 4. Design the quotes in Canva. Now, take the quotes one by one and paste them into your Canva design to create an attractive quote image for entrepreneurs and business owners. Begin with the first quote. Copy the text from ChatGPT and go back to Canva. In Canva, choose the text option and select Add a heading. Paste the text you copied. Change the font to Montserrat since it looks good in quote images. Make sure each word in the heading starts with a capital letter. Align and position the text in the center of the pink frame that Canva provides, adjusting the size as needed. Repeat the process by copying and pasting the first text onto Canva and positioning it in the middle. Then, copy the next word from the ChatGPT quote, return to Canva, capitalize the first letter, adjust the text size to match the others, and paste it. This way, you can create an inspirational quote image that looks similar to this one. By using these ChatGPT quotes, you can design multiple inspirational quote images. Step 5. Download your designs. After creating your quote images, download each one individually by clicking on the share icon in the top right corner. Choose the download option, select the page you want to download, click done, and then press the download button again. This will save the quote image to your device. You can repeat this process to download all your quote images. Step 6. Visit Gelato. Gelato is a print-on-demand platform that offers various white-label products such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, and canvases that can be customized with your designs. If you're unfamiliar with print-on-demand, the process involves creating a design, partnering with a company that prints and ships the product when a customer makes a purchase. Once everything is set up correctly, your role is primarily to collect your earnings each month. The best part is that you can start this business model with no upfront costs, and it's accessible worldwide. We're choosing Gelato because it's free to use. You can sign up for an account at no cost. Gelato operates global fulfillment centers and offers a user-friendly interface that's ideal for beginners. You simply select products such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, or canvas prints, and upload your designs, whether they're images, text, or drawings. Once your designs are uploaded, you can list these items on various e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Wix, WooCommerce, and eBay. When customers purchase your items from these platforms, Gelato handles the fulfillment, and you receive the profit from each sale. Step 7. Market research and success. Examples: we chose inspirational quote images because they have proven to be highly successful in the print-on-demand market. For example, the Etsy shop Kiki and Nim, which sells printable frames with business and motivational quotes, has achieved over 170,000 sales. Their quote wall art is priced between $3 and $14, and with an average price of $10, they have generated over $1.7 million in revenue from these products. Similarly, Divine Digital Print Shop has sold over 58,000 wall arts with inspirational quotes, averaging $7.60 per item, leading to nearly $500,000 in earnings. These types of wall art are effective because there is a large market of aspiring entrepreneurs who enjoy displaying motivational quotes to stay inspired and focused. Additionally, wall art is inexpensive to produce, and since it often appeals to impulse buyers, you can price it slightly higher than competitors to achieve a good profit margin. Therefore, inspirational quote images are ideal for this purpose. If Etsy is not available in your country, you can use platforms like Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, or Squarespace to sell your products. Step 8. Integrating Gelato with your store. Once you log into your Gelato account, your dashboard will look like this. First, click on Store located on the left side. This will bring you to a page where you can link your store. Here, you have the option to connect various stores such as Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and more. Next, go back to the left menu and select Product Catalog. You will see a range of product options, including t-shirt mock-ups, hoodies, bag mock-ups, phone cases, mugs, calendars, and more. For this video, choose the wall art option to view different designs for wall art. Select the wooden frame option, and then choose from the available wooden framed posters. I recommend the premium matte paper wooden frame poster, as it is a top seller. Select it to proceed to the next page. I will choose the 30x40 Salmonemi or 12x16 in size for the poster because it's ideal for most homes and is a popular choice. Next, I'll select the vertical frame in a black color frame and ensure the Ready to Hang option is checked. Then scroll down and click on the Start Designing button. On this page, you'll need to upload your design to the wall art poster. Click on the Upload button and you'll see options for uploading your design. I'll choose My Device and upload the design we created and downloaded from Canva. After uploading, your designs will appear in the File section on the left. You can select the design you want to use, and it will be applied to the frame. Adjust the design as needed so it fits well and looks great. Additionally, you can enhance your design using various tools from Gelato. For instance, you can add text, shapes like lines, rectangles, and squares. You can also incorporate Shutterstock images and stock footage. Different layouts are available if you want to fit multiple images into a single poster. You can also use various free Gelato graphics to improve your design. Step 9. Launching your product and earn passive income. Once your wall art design is complete, click on Preview to see how it will look on various settings, like a house wall or bedroom. If you're happy with the result, save it as a template. Then, set up your shop on Etsy or integrate with other platforms like Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, or Squarespace if Etsy isn't available in your country. Ensure your shop is linked to Gelato so that orders from these e-commerce sites are processed through Gelato. They will handle order fulfillment, and you'll earn your profit after covering any expenses. After establishing your setup, you can start earning over $7 per minute in pure passive income from this system. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What type of inspirational quote or design would you create for your wall art? Share your ideas in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online here in Profitability Plus. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.